Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today is another mod video for the Zafira. For this mod video, we have the contents of this box. So this week we're going to be doing these, and what these are the sequential indicators, and they are tinted and they're for the side of the car if you haven't noticed already. I did have something similar to this on Norman, but they always seemed like really poor quality because they got condensation inside and there wasn't tinted, so they looked a bit tacky. But these are like tinted, and I think it should go well with the car. So I'm gonna get them on now, do a few arty-farty shots and show you guys what it looks like. Right then guys, so that is the new side indicators. The sequential ones actually attached to the car now. I'm not sure what direction I'm going to go as far as modding's going to be with Zara, but I don't know, it's just kind of cool, like a few little mods here and there. It might take off, it might not, we'll just see what happens and we'll see what the budget allows. Obviously Dennis is still going to be worked on. Do not think that that car is just gone and it's just never going to be seen on the channel again. I have got the parts, it's just a matter of having the time and the know-how to change bits around, so I've just got to sort myself out with that. And I think I need, because I've bought obviously all the suspension, I think I need to buy myself some new top mounts as well, so I can just replace the whole unit in opposed to just bits and bobs. But anyway guys, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.